Hello everyone. Today's topic is ChatGPT Course. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss the ChatGPT Course roadmap. About course, eligibility criteria, roles, responsibilities and salaries, training program. Now we are discussing the ChatGPT Course. The ChatGPT Course is designed to provide individuals with the skills to effectively use and interact with ChatGPT, an advanced AI language model, for a wide range of applications. This course is ideal for professionals looking to enhance their AI interaction skills, improve business processes, and integrate ChatGPT into various workflows. It is especially beneficial for content creators, marketers, customer service teams, and anyone interested in leveraging AI for efficiency and innovation. The course begins with an introduction to ChatGPT, where learners will understand the basics of AI, natural language processing, and how ChatGPT can assist in different contexts. The next module covers prompt engineering, teaching learners how to craft precise and effective prompts to generate high-quality, relevant responses from ChatGPT. A key focus is on advanced prompting techniques. The AI Interaction Strategies module covers techniques for refining responses to improve accuracy, creativity, and problem-solving capabilities. Ethics in AI is also a crucial aspect of the course, addressing topics such as bias mitigation, privacy concerns, and responsible AI usage. Finally, learners will engage in practical applications and case studies, enabling them to apply their knowledge to real-world scenarios, such as content generation, chatbot development, and customer support. Here are the eligibility criteria for the ChatGPT course. Basic computer literacy. A fundamental understanding of computer operations and navigating software applications is required. Familiarity with AI concepts. While not mandatory, having a basic understanding of AI and machine learning concepts is beneficial. Interest in artificial intelligence. A keen interest in exploring how AI models like ChatGPT can enhance productivity and solve problems. Basic knowledge of writing and communication. Since the course focuses on generating text-based outputs, familiarity with writing and communication is advantageous. Age requirement. Participants should typically be 18 years or older to enroll in the course. Access to a computer with internet. A computer or laptop with a stable internet connection is essential for accessing course materials and engaging with AI tools. English proficiency. Basic proficiency in English is required, as the course and ChatGPT operate primarily in English. Willingness to learn and experiment. Openness to experimenting with AI tools and learning through hands-on experience. Technical support skills, optional. Familiarity with using chatbots, software tools, or basic programming, optional but helpful. No prior AI experience needed. The course is designed for both beginners and those with some AI or NLP knowledge, so no prior experience is required. Next, we discuss the roles and salaries in ChatGPT Course AI Content Specialist. AI Content Specialists use ChatGPT to generate and optimize written content for digital platforms, such as websites, blogs, and social media. With a growing demand for automation in content creation, these professionals earn between $60,000 and $85,000 per year. Chatbot developer. A chatbot developer builds and customizes intelligent AI-driven chatbots powered by ChatGPT to enhance customer service and business operations. This role typically offers salaries ranging from $70,000 to $100,000 annually. AI consultant. AI consultants help businesses integrate ChatGPT and other AI models into their workflows. They offer expertise in optimizing AI usage for customer engagement, decision-making, and automation, earning between $90,000 to $130,000 a year. NLP engineer, natural language processing, NLP. Engineers work on enhancing the ChatGPT ability to understand and generate human-like text. Their expertise is crucial for improving the model's language capabilities, and they earn between $80,000 to $120,000 annually. Customer service automation specialist. This role involves using ChatGPT to automate customer support and improve service efficiency. These professionals typically earn between $55,000 to $75,000 a year. Content writer, editor. Content writers and editors use ChatGPT for drafting, editing, and refining content. Their salaries usually range from $50,000 to $70,000 per year, depending on experience. AI trainer. AI trainers provide training on how to effectively use ChatGPT and other AI tools, guiding organizations and individuals on best practices. They typically earn between $60,000 to $85,000 annually. Business analyst, AI-driven. Business analysts leverage ChatGPT to analyze data, generate insights, and support strategic decision-making. This role typically offers salaries ranging from $70,000 to $95,000 per year. The last topic is training program. GoLogica offers complete ChatGPT training, designed to provide you with the essential skills to effectively use and optimize ChatGPT for a variety of applications. This course provides a deep dive into ChatGPT capabilities, teaching you how to craft effective prompts to generate accurate, contextually relevant, and high-quality responses. You'll explore various techniques such as ChatGPT and other NLP models. Throughout the training, you'll also cover advanced strategies for refining interactions with ChatGPT, helping you achieve better accuracy, creativity, and problem-solving results. Hands-on experience with ChatGPT for content creation, customer support automation, and AI-driven solutions will empower you to leverage this powerful tool across multiple domains. Additionally, ethical considerations, bias mitigation, and responsible AI use are key components of the curriculum, ensuring that you understand how to use AI technology ethically. The GoLogica ChatGPT training prepares you for roles like ChatGPT specialist, AI content specialist, chatbot developer, machine learning engineer, and AI consultant. Upon completion, you will earn a certification validating your proficiency with ChatGPT. GoLogica also provides resume building assistance, interview preparation, and 24/7 expert support, ensuring you are fully equipped to succeed in the evolving AI-driven job market.